Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. I apologize for wearing a bathrobe. I was up all night and then had horrible trouble sleeping. All right, this is Pittsburgh Unboxing, and the channel has gone up again. 1,547,177 views, another 2,000, ding, 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 and 19,722 subscribers. Kathy will be coming over tomorrow. I'm going to go out to get food and feed Tiny One, Mama Cat, and getting her in the doorway. We have had ice cold temperatures here all day. That's another reason I had trouble sleeping. 40 degrees, felt like 35, same for San Francisco. All right, this is something I just got, and I can sure use it. So let's open it up. This is from Amazon. Other things are coming. My check is in, and Tiny One will be adopted. She has a new little black friend, a little black kitty that's long-haired, looks like a cross between our beloved Boop and my beloved little girl cat. So this is a space heater. Hopefully it works better than the one I've got, because the one I've got takes forever to warm the room. This is by Dr. Prepare. There's the manual. And you got this from Amazon. This was cheap. This was like $21, so we will see. And I'm almost out of wet cat food. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff on Amazon. You'll be seeing a lot of unboxing. And going to Costco tomorrow. Going to get the coin loans out tomorrow. The last 2 coin loans will be out. I had to borrow $100 against my silver to buy food because I ran out of money. But that I'll take out 1st of February. But the coin loan's been in there for 11 years. Will be gone tomorrow. Cost us $305. Kathy's going to pay for half of it. $305 to get my silver out. So, all right, undid the cord. So let's reach under the table. And unplug the heater I've been using. And we will... Yes. Okay, thank you. Amazon? Okay, thank you for doing what you do. I appreciate it. And Amazon showed up with more stuff. Okay, now I can plug this thing in. I always have trouble finding the plug. Okay, other way. Plug wants to twist. The cable for the plug wants to twist around. I can feel it in my fingers. I'm not going to do this without my flashlight. It's just somewhere. Oh, finally. Good Lord, that's the hardest thing to do under there. All right. We need to move the phone, the other phone. Here's the heater, Dr. something, whatever the hell it's called. Okay, so it has a power button light. It has a minimum to maximum. It has setting, the fan setting, which would be nice in the summertime. And 1, 2, 3, so we're going to turn it on. And, nothing happens. Nothing happens. There we go. Ah! The question is, will this come up? It's got a tip over thing, which the other one doesn't have. Oh, that's so much better. It puts out a lot more heat than the other one. You can hear it. I can feel the heat. Although all these small heaters don't go very far. Now, I turn it down, it shuts off. Does have a power indicator. I've got it up to full. That's fan, okay. It's a lot harder than the one I've been using. All right, that's it for this one. Have a great evening. Stay warm, everybody. Let's look at the temperatures here. Right now, it is 40. Feels like 35. It's been here like that all day. South Lake Tahoe is 20. Reno, 21. Boston, 41. Let's look at the... Okay. Boston is 30. Hello, Top Cat. New York is 29. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania is 24. San Francisco is 46. Finally warmed up. There was 35. The low was going to be 30. Sacramento is 35. LA is 48 with very high winds down there. London 35. Berlin 26. Moscow, the garden spot as usual, 18. And Pittsburgh, California, where Kathy is with a severe weather advisory. We're having the same thing here, is 49 going down to 41. Tonight will be 42 here. And, okay, tomorrow will be 39. That's what, and then we're going to get rain. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Kathy wanted to go to New Year's Eve in San Francisco. I don't think we're going to be able to do it. Sunday, rain. 5 days of rain, 2 days of sun, and Wednesday, more rain. And it says, feels like 46, but earlier, it literally this morning said feels like 35. I opened the door for the cat, and it was freezing. All right, that's it for this one. Have a great evening. Stay warm. Stay safe, everybody. Keep out of the wind. Oh, yeah, and Liquid Observatory in San Jose, if I haven't mentioned this, near San Jose. 114-mile-an-hour winds hit the observatory, took a big chunk off the telescope. It's going to be closed for some time. So, hurricane force winds. That's how windy it has been in the local rainstorms here. All right, thanks for watching. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month where you see content not on the regular channel. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening, and this has been Pittsburgh Unboxing. Bye-bye for now.